Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your Signal account to a new phone securely. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer your Signal account to a new phone securely, start by ensuring that you have both your old and new devices on hand. On your old device, open the Signal app. Go to the settings by tapping on your profile icon in the top left corner. Select Account from the settings menu. Tap on Transfer Account. You will see a QR code and a prompt to open Signal on your new device. Now, on your new device, download and install the Signal app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the Signal app on your new phone. Select Continue to begin the setup process. When prompted, tap on Transfer from another device. The app will ask you to scan a QR code. Point your new device's camera at the QR code displayed on your old phone. Once scanned, your new device will confirm the transfer process. Follow any additional prompts to complete the setup, including verifying your phone number. After verification, your messages and contacts will start transferring to the new device. Ensure both devices remain connected to the internet during this process. Once the transfer is complete, you can start using Signal on your new phone. Be sure to uninstall Signal from your old device if you no longer plan to use it. This process ensures your account and data are securely transferred. You're now ready to enjoy Signal on your new phone securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.